Hey guys, Joey here with World of RV Parts. So in this video we're talking about part number 639551. It's a Norcold optical display board. This is the last one that anybody has. I mean, we're getting more in stock. We have more on order right now. If it says we have them, then it means we have them. I sold 3 in the last 4 days. But again, part number 639551. It just is a plug and play. In the back there, you see right here where my thumb is, you can see where it plugs in right there. You just remove all the screws. There's 4 on this, and there's a couple other pieces that go over this side and this side. You got to remove those as well to gain access to this side and this side, and then it'll just come off. Unplug the old one, plug it in here, put the new one on, and then put the covers back on, and you're done. Pretty easy. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'll post a link in the comments where you can either buy it from me or one of our affiliates. Until next time, safe travels. We'll see you in the next videos.